Hi children, in this video we are going to study about phylum Echinodermata. In phylum Echinodermata is divided into 5 classes. Class 1 Asteroidea. Sea stars. Example sea star. Class 1 Asteroidea. Sea star. Class 2 Operoidea. Class 2 Operoidea. Example brittle star. Class 3 Echinoidea. Class 3 Echinoidea. Example sand dollars. Class 4 Holothuriidea. Class 4 Holothuriidea. Example sea cucumber. Class 5 Crinoidea. Class 5 Crinoidea. Sea lilies, feather stars. Shall we recall it again? Class 1 Asteroidea. Class 2 Operoidea. Class 3 Echinoidea. Class 4 Holothuriidea. Class 5 Crinoidea. These are the classes coming under the phylum Echinodermata. It will be useful for your need purpose. Phylum Echinodermata. It is derived from Greek word echinos. What is echinos? Echinos means spiny. Dermos means skin. Hence, it is called it as spiny skinned organism. Echinodermata literally means spiny or prickly skinned or bumpy skinned. Spiny skinned, right? Prickly skinned or bumpy skinned. ஒரு 2 மார்க்ல 3 மார்க்ல கேட்கும்போது இந்த மாதிரி twist பண்ணி கேட்டா write a short note on the spiny skinned organism அப்படினு கேட்டாங்கன்னா Echinodermata phylum Echinodermataல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஃபீச்சர்ஸ்லாம் கொஞ்சம் இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். Right? Echinodermata literally means a spiny, prickly or bumpy skin because echinos means spiny, derma means skin. They possess an endoskeleton, internal skeleton of calcareous ossicles. Calcareous ossicles means small bones which is embedded in the skin. That is also a main important feature of it. We'll see later. Yes, we'll start one by one. Habitat. Habitat all are exclusively marine animals. Usually live in sea, that too in the bottom of the sea. Hence they are bottom dwellers. Bottom of the sea இருக்கிறதுனால கடலுக்கு அடியில இருக்கிறதுனால அது என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Bottom dwellers அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Next we are going to see about body symmetry. The adult echinoderms are radially symmetrical. Adult are radially symmetrical. Okay, what is radially symmetrical? We can able to divide the body into 2 equal halves through any plane. It is actually pentamerous radial symmetry. I hope we completed in the previous video, right? So, adults are radially symmetrical. What about larva? It is a larva. Larva is actually a primarily bilateral symmetrical. Echinoderm symmetry, primary bilateral symmetry, larva forms and few some adult forms too. Secondary pentaradial symmetry, 5 radial division of major organ system is actually a pentaradial symmetry. It is well known feature of echinoderm symmetry. Actually, the adult echinoderms are radially symmetrical. Adult echinoderms are radially symmetrical, but their larva, young one, is a bilaterally symmetrical. The echinoderms are very unique in this feature. See, because larva is bilaterally symmetrical in advanced way. Bilaterally symmetrical, as we know that one, it is an advanced feature. Bilateral symmetrical is the advanced feature. So, larva enna panadhu advanced feature show panadhu. While the adults developing from them, okay, and the larva la irundhu varakudiya adults enna panadha radially symmetrical primitive feature show panadhu. That is the main body symmetrical feature. Okay, got it? புரிஞ்சுதா? Levels of organization, they possess organ system level of organization. Yes, these animals have mesodermal endoskeleton, internal skeleton found within the tissue. It is also covered by a thin layer of tissue. See, this is a single arm portion of starfish. So internal skeleton, see, it is a endoskeleton plate. உள்ள இந்த மாதிரி endoskeleton plate இருக்கும். The endoskeleton plate found within the tissue. It is also covered by a thin layer of tissue. Spines and bumps give reference to their name, which is spiny skinned. Yes, these animals have mesodermal endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles. What is ossicles? Small bones. Ossicles means small bones. Hence, the name Echinodermata, spiny skin. Spines and bumps give reference to their name, which means spiny skinned. Yes, got it? This is actually a sea star skeleton, magnified form. This is actually a dead sea star. Got it? Calcareous. Most distinct feature of echinoderms, very important 3 mark, water vascular system or ambulacral system. They have tube feet or podia. See, it is actually a tube feet. The ampulla la irundhu varakodiya kutti feet enna solluvom? Tube feet solluvom. See the picture? Tube feet. Ampulla la irundhu rise agakodiya and feet kutti and the purple color la therudhaliya? Podium. The podium irukku, mela ampulla. And the swollen region enna solluvom? Ampulla. The swelled region is called as ampulla. That stick-like portion is called it as podium. Tube feet. They have tube feet too. Got it? Presence of water vascular system as ambulacral system is a very important feature of the echinoderms. They have tube feet or podia. What is the function of tube feet? Locomotion, capture, transport of food and respiration. Got it? What are the important function of tube feet? Tube feet involved in the locomotion, capture of transport of food and respiration. This overall system is called it as water vascular system because the system acts like a circulatory system of body maintaining continuous flow of water in and out of the body. Yes, got it? Echinoderm la water vascular system பார்த்தோம். Short form WVS, water vascular system. அதில் என்ன parts? Its need purpose I included. What are the parts present in the water vascular system? Network of water filled canal. First of all, இந்த மாதிரி starfish. See, இப்போ தெரியுதா? Body தெரியுதா? இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Yes, got it? அதோட உள்ள இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த features தான் நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். Water network filled canals இதெல்லாம். Tube feet. First நம்ம பார்க்க போறது tube feet. Tube feet is a muscular extension of the water vascular system. It ended as a sucker. Tube feet இப்படி இருக்குன்னா இதுதான் tube feet. இந்த tube feetக்கு மேல இருக்க muscular sac ampulla. Okay, இது ஒரு tube feet. Ampullaக்கு கீழ இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த feet like portion, podial like portion is called it as tube feet. மேல இருக்கக்கூடிய swell-ஆ இருக்கக்கூடிய balloon like portion is called it as ampulla. Right? இது ஃபுல்லா பிக்சர்ல பாருங்க. இந்த மாதிரி பாடியில என்ன இருக்கும்? கேனல் சிஸ்டம் இருக்கும். ஃபுல்லாவே கேனல். இது ரிங் கேனல் சொல்லுவோம், ரேடியல் கேனல் சொல்லுவோம். இந்த ரேடியல் கேனல் என்ன இருக்கும்? ஆம்புல்லா. இந்த ஆம்புல்லாவோட லெக் லைக் போர்ஷன் தான் இது ஆம்புல்லா. இந்த ஆம்புல்லாவோட லெக் லைக் போர்ஷன் தான் we used to call it as tube feet. Got it? Ring canal, radial canal and then water எது வழியா வரும்னா madreporite அப்படின கூடிய அந்த போர் வழியா வந்து stone canal வழியா போய் see the picture stone canal வழியா உள்ள போய் first madreporite வழியா வந்து stone canal வழியா உள்ள போய் then it reaches the ring canal, then spreads through the radial canal, then it reaches the ampulla and tube feet. Water vascular system is a distinct feature. The water vascular system of a perforated having pores plate is called it as madreporite. The pores of which allows the sea water to enter into the system. From the madreporate, a starts canal system is called it as stone canal. Madreporate and the stone canal which opens into the ring canal. Right? Then each angle of the ring canal raised as a radial canal. This is called it as radial canal. From radial canal arise a lateral canal which end in a tube feet. Lateral canal. இங்க இருக்குலையா இது ஒரு radial canal. Radial canal இருந்து leafலலாம் இருக்கும் பாருங்க. ஒரு banana leaf இந்த மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல அந்த மாதிரி. Right? This is lateral canal. Lateral canal இருந்து tube feet raise ஆகும். Got it? இந்த tube feetல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா rounded ampulla will be there. Then middle tubular podium. Then cup like sucker. Podium ampulla. Podium sucker. In the mother features. Got it? This is a structure of water vascular system. This system called water vascular system because this system acts like the circulatory system of body which maintains the continuous flow of water in and out of the body. What is the purpose of water vascular system? Locomotion, capture and transport of food and respiration. Water vascular system important 3 mark. Right? Digestive system. Digestive system is a complete digestive system. Mouth present on ventral side. Mouth எங்க இருக்கும்? Ventral side. Starfish ஓட imagine this is a ventral side. Ventral side la mouth இருக்கும். Anus present on the dorsal side. Okay, this is a anus. Anus present on the dorsal side. Mouth present on the ventral side. Mouth present on the ventral side. So digestive system is a complete with 2 separate openings. It lays along with the dorsoventral axis of the body. Mouth lays on the ventral surface. This is a ventral surface. Ventral surface means lower side. And then anus on the upper surface. Dorsal side. Got it? புரிஞ்சுதா? Next, excretory organs absent. Specialized excretory system is absent. The excretory products diffuse out from the body tissue into coelomic fluid from where they are finally eliminated out. Coelomic fluid வழியாவே வெளியே போயிட்டு வந்துடும். Right? Excretory system, excretory organ is absent. Nervous system and sensory organs are poorly developed. See, it has nerve ring, encircle mouth. Mouthல இருந்து encircle ஆகக்கூடிய nerve ring இருக்கும். அதுல radial nerve இருக்கும். And then the radial nerve வந்து ஒரு tube feetல இருந்து raise ஆகும். இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா simplified, very simplified, poorly developed nervous system. Next, circulatory system. Circulatory system open type without heart and blood vessel. Circulatory system is actually a open type. அதாவது hemal peripheral system அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Hemal peripheral system na arboreal hemal ring, oral hemal ring, head process axial gland, gastric hemal ring. இந்த மாதிரி ring like structures, hemal ring like structures என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு hemal peripheral system construct பண்ணும். Thus, the so-called circulatory system is open type without heart and blood vessels. Got it? The so-called blood is often without respiratory pigment. There is no heart at all. Sexes are separate. Reproduction is sexual. See, it's a male and female. It releases the gametes. Gametes fuses and forms young one in the form of larva. What is the larval name? See the picture. தெரியுதா? Blastula, gastrula and bipinnaria larva. Later bipinnaria larva. Dense armலாம் form ஆகி ஒரு starfish மாதிரி complete starfish மாதிரி இது form ஆக ஆரம்பிக்கும். Right? Sexes are separate. Reproduction is sexual. Fertilization is external. External means water medium நடக்கும். Development is indirect with free swimming. Bilaterally symmetrical larval form. Starfishல அந்த larval பேர் என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Bipinnaria larva. Yes, got it? புரிஞ்சுதா? Some echinoderms exhibit autotomy. What is autotomy? Power of regeneration. What is autotomy? Power of regeneration. Some of the starfish shows power of regeneration. That is called it as autotomy. Remarkable feature present in the echinoderm. See, இப்போ ஒரு ஸ்டார் ஃபிஷ்ல இப்படி கட் பண்ணும்போது இது அப்பர் and then இது லோயர் எண்ட். அப்போ இங்கே கட்டான பார்ட் வந்து இந்த சைடில் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும், the top part வந்து இந்த சைடில் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஸோ கம்ப்ளீட் regeneration capacity is there. That remarkable feature is called it as autotomy. Yes, examples: Asteroids, starfish, sea star; Echinus, sea urchin; Antedon, sea lily; Cucumaria, sea cucumber; Opura, brittle star. Asteroids, Echinus, Antedon, Cucumaria, Opura. These are the examples. See, starfish, sea urchin, sea lily, sea cucumber, brittle star. These are the common name of the phylum Echinodermata example. Thank you, children.